So the goal here is to create a 7-inch straight plate for use on the Pavillion. So I didn't want to buy any 7-inch plate, but I did buy 4 and 3-inch. So what I've got them set up on the table here so that they're leveled out, but there are a few things I have to do before. So I have to take this piece and I have to cut a bevel down along this edge, and then I'll put a separator between here before I tack it. We'll see how we can do with this. Clean it up a little bit for the weld. Okay. So, shoot, that's hot. Supposedly they're supposed to be a 16th. That's a little heavier in some spots, but overall the goal is to make sure that there's a bevel there with a 16th so that we can get a good weld. Now for the other one, and then we'll come back. So now both of these pieces are cleaned up. Put the bevel in there. Looks pretty good, I guess. I don't know. I'm not a welder. But we got to put these little devices in here to keep a 1/16 separation. So let me do that. I've got those in there to create the gap down along here. And for the most part, these are pretty level. All right, so we're gonna try this with 0.30 wire using C25 gas. Set it on a auto setting for 3/16. We'll see what it's gonna do. Okay, almost, but not quite. Still got some pits in there I've got to take care of, but I'd say not too bad for the first try. This might be the best I'm going to be able to do. It's got a little bit of a warp in there. I think some of that will pull out when I mount it. Got a couple little pits along here that I'm hoping maybe the powder coating might actually fill those in. I'm not sure. But there's always a possibility of putting some metal epoxy on it. So we'll have to see how it goes.